What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming back at you with another video. I hope everybody's doing well, having an awesome day. You see, it's the beautiful skies out here. It's a Friday evening, and man, I want to come to you with a part. Y'all know my good people, HOGWORKZ, always coming up with something, and I always like to add different things to the bike. So my big dude Rob from HOGWORKZ sent me a part that I want to show you all, man, and I really want to show you what it is. It looks good, a great looking part, man. So that's going to go on Chrome, and it ain't gonna overdo the bike, but you know that I've been rocking their saddlebag liners and the tour pack liners. So I got another liner that I want to show you, and we're gonna get into it right after this. We're back, y'all. Check this out right here. I know, like I said, I've been rocking the saddlebag liners, the tour pack liners. Now we rocking the compartment liners, and they're gonna go off in here. I went with the red stitching. Look at this, very nice looking material. It comes with a sticker in the bag as well. It's very easy to install. You don't need any Velcro or nothing like that. So we're gonna get this baby installed on the bike, and I want you to tell me what you think about it when I get it in here. I love the diamond cut, the great quality. Check that out. HOGWORKZ, baby. HOGWORKZ. And these are already pretty much shaped like the compartments are. I know y'all probably looking at this saying it's flat, but it's not. It's gonna fold up, and let me show you what it does. So what you're gonna do first, you're just going to remove the plastic that you have in here already. Look at that. This old plastic, this is what you've been having in there. Man, I need to clean that. So we're gonna throw that away. And like I say, this just slides in, y'all, and it stays in here really good. Check that out. It just goes in just like that. And it's in there really, really good. Look at that. Tell me what y'all think about that part right there. So we're gonna get this one in right here. So let me go around here. And this one here, I know it looks flat, but only thing it does, we gotta pull this one out here. That's all that's been in there, this rubber here. And this is gonna look so much nicer in here. It just slides in, you fold the sides up, because it kind of got the creases already. Fold the sides up, push it in, and it just lays down just like that right there. What do y'all think about that right there? That is really nice right there. And it looks really good, man. Just when you open it up, man, you're gonna actually shock some folks with that look right there. Those look really good. And like I said, I wanna thank my good people from HOGWORKZ, my dude Rob. Man, appreciate you for sending those over. So if you want some of those, they are from 2015 to 2024. So make sure you go check out hogworks.com and get you some of these right here. From 2015 to 2024, they're like $69.90 something plus tax and shipping. So with that being said, man, I check out the website. And they got red, they got blue, they got green, they got yellow and silver, and they might have more colors. So make sure you go check them out. Get you some compartment liners for your from 2015 to 2024. Get you some liners for your bike. Just make the bike look good on the inside. You don't see it from the outside. You know, like they say, love and beauty on the skin deep. You're gonna only see that when you open that right there. But that looks good, and I think I really liked it right there. But we're gonna end this video, and I wanna thank HOGWORKZ again, my dude Big Rob. Thank you for sending me those out to show my subscribers and supporters. I really appreciate you kicking it with me and watching the channel, man. So we're gonna get out of here. Until the next time, next grind, I'm finna go for a ride. I love y'all. Peace, hair grease, and all that. We out. 2, 3.
We rollin', man.